that money spread. I just want a big fan.
All right, gang. So got the bike nice and warmed up. Let's go ahead and drop the oil. As you see, I'm dropping. No shavings, so that's a good sign, of course. Alright, I wonder how much oil goes into this motor. Should say somewhere on the case. No. I'll just look it up online. Alright guys, so I found it. It says it takes just over half a quart of 10W40. Let's get it in there. What's going on, family? It's your boy Cheese, and I'm back with another video, man. We finally dropped the break-in oil on this CR80. Actually, come to find out, guys, this is not a 1991, this is a 2001, so that makes the $700 deal for this brand new rebuild Honda that much more even better, guys. We finally get to get our first official trail ride in, guys. We definitely going 6-gear pinned on this little beast to see what it's ripping like. Y'all stay tuned. All right, family, first official trail ride on the CR80. Let's get it, man. Hey, that little thing hitting through the woods. Broke loose a little bit on me right there. Got it smoking through here, gang. Yeah. Little walk, let's get it. Yeah.
Dude, you still got the four-wheeler, or you?
Yeah, the little ones. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Hey, I'm looking for a YZ125. If you can find one, let me know.
What's your budget on it, man?
I like to not spend any more than like 3,000.
Yeah. Well, shit, that's why I asked. Cause I mean, if I see something, I'll let you know. You know what I mean?
I know, like the early 2000s ones, they're popular, so they're expensive.
Yeah, I mean, that's all bikes right now, but I mean, with 3K, you can get something.
You can?
You can definitely find something, yeah.
Right. I'm gonna start looking. Where's a good place to look, aside from like Craigslist and eBay and shit?
Shit, Marketplace. Let's get it, fam. That's really why I bought this 80, man. It might not rip on them trails as good as I wanted to. That bitch gonna do them wheelies. See if we can't get us a whole shot in, fam. Too hard in the low RPMs, gang. I can't leave as hard as I want. I don't like that at all. Y'all don't worry, man. Next video, we definitely getting a new spark plug in this little joint, y'all. She ready to ride. She just, I know that spark plug foul by now because how rich I've been running it. Woo, we 12 and shit. Quit playing with them. We 12 and shit on that little thing, gang. We is not like that no more. We worm no more. I ain't gonna lie, gang. I really want to get all the way in there, bitch, but I just can't right now with this bad spark plug, man. I can't right now. I really want to get in there, bitch. I'm talking about as soon as I come around that corner, let that hoe have it, but I can't right now, man. And but I can't stop the vlog right now, guys. We too far in. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video when we get that crispy spark plug, man. Show y'all something new, family. I don't think I ever took y'all down here. Yeah, man. A little under the bridge hideout. You know, somewhere I used to come fishing at, man. Y'all know I know all the good fishing spots, gang. If you didn't know, go check out my old videos, man. Especially the one where I went fishing with just pepperonis, man. I went off in that challenge, guys. But yeah, man. I think I'm gonna start back doing fishing vlogs. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below if I should. If not, y'all let me know that as well. That bitch sound good under here though.
I just want that money spread, I just want